Oh, and sorry about the cutoff. Alright guys, today we're going to be going through Marvel Car Wash on Garfield Avenue in Monterey Park, California. Right now we're getting a bug buster, or prep cleaning right now. And I'm with my mom. Say hello. You guys remember my first video. It was kind of a silent one because my first video. And I think we got the top wash in. We became a member. They're using the broom. Now we're gonna start off with the foam. Here comes the top brush. Tire brush is going down there. High pressure spray. Oh, triple foam. Nice. Oh, sorry. No, you're good. The rocker brushes down there, and then side brushes just coming up. And don't mind me eating snacks. There's another one. Alright, then we'll have another top brush. Oh, here's the hot wax. Amazing. Nice. I think we got the clear coat right there. See the clear coat? And here's the tire shine. And here we have the Tech 21 dryers. Then weigh and go sign.
Wipe off though, okay?
Yeah. Anyways, that's about it. We're gonna do a little wipe off. The last video we did vacuums, but we're just gonna do a little.